How to install Firefox in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download Firefox in your Windows 10 or 11, then first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you can go for your Microsoft Store. Once you've checked your internet connection, you can go for your Microsoft Store. You can also go for your Windows and then you can search for the Microsoft Store. Here you will have your store, right? So once you open your store, now you can go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for Firefox. Once you've searched, here you will have the Firefox on the first. So if you want to download and install this Firefox application, then what you need to do is here on the left side of your screen, you will have an install option. Click on install. Once you click on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can simply open the application. So let's just wait for 1 or 2 minutes till it's downloaded. And once it's installed, you can click on open. Once you click on open, it will take you to the Firefox browser, and now click on save and continue, or you can simply skip these steps. Click on start browsing, and that's it. You will have your Firefox. So that's how you can download and install Firefox on your PC or laptop or on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.